Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. We're gonna be doing some. I'm actually doing some beans because it's this month's challenge is barbecue sides, and I'm doing. Now I have to admit, a bit of a cop out. I'm using a can of beans because I was thinking about making baked beans, but then I got called into work Saturday, and then Sunday was Father's Day, so I was kind of busy all weekend. So. Which means I didn't get out and shoot any videos this weekend either, so rather this past weekend. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm actually making lunch. I'm also making lunch for work tonight too, so it's kind of a double. So let's get to it. I'm gonna do a few extra things to these beans. I'm gonna add some bacon, because I always have bacon on hand. So that's going. Alright. Bacon's getting there, but it's what I want to do is I want to drain off some of the grease, not all. I have to add, it might be okay. Of course I had to place some clear over here, but I got some one jalapeno. Cook those jalapenos up. Dang. All right, and I'm done choking to death. So I add the beans. And make sure you turn the heat down so you don't burn them. And now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. And you add a little bit of, I got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, about a tablespoon of that. Or whatever. You could have also added onion, but I don't like those, but you can add them. You can put in some, maybe some peppers, if you like those as well. I'll leave those to simmer, and I'll start working on the burgers. Well, here's how the beans are looking, if the camera will focus on it. Got the bacon, barbecue, jalapeno, which I don't really see, so it's kind of vanished in there, but with the should give it a nice smoky heat. And then also the sweetness of the sauce and also the brown sugar. It's really good. Try these beans out. I'm gonna try those beans. I haven't even tasted them yet, so. But it should be good though with the bacon and the barbecue sauce and brown sugar and a jalapeno. Man, bringing that jalapeno still. Dang on. Oh man. Wow. You know, they're hot, they're spicy, but they're also at the same time kind of sweet, so really good. And just because we'll try the burger, which I know will be good. Well, anyway, alright, well, I'll tell you what. It may not be the most complicated meal, but it tastes phenomenal. I mean, the beans are really good. Just the, you know, the heat and the sweet. Highly recommend. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist below for Cast Iron Wednesday. And last week's video will be down in the end card as well. I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.